Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you late on this Monday afternoon with your Weatherblast update. Yes, I've been peering over the weather maps all afternoon, and yes, I still think we're going to get clobbered here very late tonight and all day tomorrow. In the first half of tomorrow night, it's going to be a wild storm with near blizzard conditions. So obviously, if you don't have to travel tomorrow, just chill out and stay put. We'll keep you posted right here on weatherblast.com and, of course, Easy 99.17 in Plymouth, which is a Boston radio station. If you've never checked it out, I highly recommend them. They're awesome. All right, let's get into it and see what's going on in terms of the weather headline as we prepared it for you. And we've been saying this now for the last couple of days. The major snowstorm is on the way for tonight and tomorrow. The heaviest is in eastern New England. Blizzard conditions, power outages, maybe some flooding along the shore. At the time of high tide, there could be some beach erosion as well. Now, watches and warnings. We do have a blizzard warning for the North Shore of Massachusetts and from Hull down to Cape Cod. Why is Boston missing? I'm going to draw a question mark. Why? I have no idea why Boston is not included in the blizzard warning. What are we, chopped liver? Come on, guys, wake up over there. I think Boston should be included in that blizzard warning, which is in effect from 11 o'clock tonight until 8 o'clock tomorrow night with blizzard conditions. That's what I'm thinking right now. All right, let's look at some temperatures across the area. Still pretty mild in southern New England. Temperatures are over 40, so you're probably scratching your head and saying, well, gee, Mark, how's it going to snow with temperatures over 40? Because instead of cooling horizontally initially, we're going to cool vertically from above. When heavy precipitation comes down, it's going to cool the surface temperature. But cold air is building up in central Canada, and behind this storm, this will be pouring in here on strong northwest winds here for tomorrow night, straight on through Thursday. As we look at the latest satellite loop, already you'll see low pressure developing off the North Carolina coast. It almost appears like it has a little clear slot in here. It's waiting for this bit of atmospheric spin around Chicago and the Great Lakes to drop in, ignite this thing. It'll intensify, move out to the northeast, and bomb out southeast of Cape Cod by late tomorrow and tomorrow night as an old-fashioned nor'easter. Now, radar shows the leading edge of precipitation coming into Pennsylvania, almost into New York with rain and snow. We may actually start as rain in Boston, quickly change to snow. This precipitation is moving northeast at about 30 miles an hour and should be in Boston after 9 o'clock tonight, the way I see it. All right, let's jump ahead. Tomorrow morning, we have quite a gale center south of New England. It's snowing to beat the band with strong northeast winds. Visibility about a quarter of a mile. Could be snowing at 1 to 3 inches an hour. And as we look at the weather map for 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're still getting hammered with winds from the northeast, maybe 60 miles an hour. Very heavy snow with the low center continuing its journey off to the northeast, moving in this fashion. And even by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we're still getting backlash snows. I wouldn't be surprised if it snows till about 10 o'clock in Boston and at least midnight on the Cape with very strong north winds. The other thing you'll notice is that the snow's going to start out heavy wet. It's going to dry out as the day wears on tomorrow and tomorrow night. So how much snow are we going with? I'm sticking with my same map. In the greater Boston area, at least 12 to 16 inches from Worcester to Springfield throughout a good chunk of northern New England. That's why we give a range of 12 to 16 from Brockton to Cape Cod, including Plymouth, 10 to 20 inches of snow. I wouldn't be surprised if some spots in southeastern New England get 2 feet of snow. Overnight, precipitation developing. It may start as rain or snow and then flip to snow. Temperatures falling back to near freezing with an increasing northeast wind. Your 5-day forecast looks like this. Heavy snow tomorrow. Windy. Temps falling into the 20s. Snow will gradually end late tomorrow night. Cloudy, windy, and cold on Wednesday. Some snow showers in the mid-30s. Then it's cold and windy for the rest of the week. A little less cold by late Saturday and warmer by Sunday. And I'm going to tell you one more thing as I bring myself back on camera. Once this storm goes by, this is not the end of our snow in March. It's going to be a very interesting March, as we told you at the beginning of the month. All right, there you have it. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. We'll be here throughout the evening. We'll keep you posted. I'm Mark Rosenthal.